Triumph has taken the Speed Twin 1200 to the next level with a new RS model, injecting it with even more excitement thanks to a sportier chassis, quick shifter, and extra power. Though it carries the retro charm of the 1937 original, this bike is a modern performance machine through and through. On twisty roads, it delivers sharp handling, impressive grip, and a composed, confidence-boosting ride, even when pushed like a full-fledged sports bike. And yet, it still offers a smooth, comfortable experience that won't rattle your teeth. The RS might feature a sportier bar and peg position, but it's still incredibly comfortable for long rides. The engine is a standout, offering smooth power, plenty of low-end grunt, and a soundtrack that pops, bangs, and rumbles with every rev. Some riders may miss the old-school analog dials, but the new digital unit does the job just fine. Though not exactly cheap, the RS delivers plenty of bang for your buck. A stylish, easy-to-ride retro with impeccable build quality and thoughtful attention to detail. This is the first RS version of the Speed Twin 1200, and it's packed with top-tier features. Fully adjustable Aleen's rear shocks, Marzocchi upside-down forks, race-ready Metzeler Racetech K3 tires, Brembo Stylema calipers, an up/down quick shifter, and a solid 104 brake horsepower of power. When it debuted in 2019, the Speed Twin 1200 was a friendlier alternative to the now discontinued Thruxton, but the RS now stands as its spiritual successor. Despite the added soundproofing and upgraded electronics, including a new IMU, Triumph has managed to trim some weight, bringing the wet weight, without fuel, to 216 kilograms. With lighter wheels, slimmer engine covers, and shorter exhaust cans, the RS not only looks sharper but sounds fantastic. Thanks to clever design work by the factory's acoustics team, including a hidden silencer under the engine. While it's still a bit heavier than a full-on sports naked bike, its relaxed steering geometry ensures stability. And with firmer suspension, increased rear ride height, sticky tires, and a smooth power delivery, the Speed Twin 1200 RS makes it a joy to carve through corners, letting you effortlessly ride the torque wave. Despite its sportier setup, the ride quality of the Speed Twin 1200 RS remains plush and comfortable, typical of a road bike. With its new lean-sensitive traction control and ABS, you'll always feel secure, even in challenging conditions. The handlebars are positioned slightly further forward than the base RS, providing a more relaxed ride compared to the old, wrist-crunching Thruxton. The rear set pegs, designed to accommodate the quick shifter, don't compromise comfort, keeping the overall riding position friendly. Tall riders will appreciate the spacious feel, and the stitched Alcantara-like seat ensures all-day comfort. While the Twin's characteristic burble is always present, vibrations are well-controlled, keeping the rider and bar-end mirrors smooth and steady. The 1,200 cubic centimeters, 270-degree parallel twin engine is not only €5 plus compliant, but now delivers 104 brake horsepower at 7,750 RPM, 5 brake horsepower more than before, along with 83 lb-ft of torque at 4,250 RPM. This added power translates to an engine packed with grunt, capable of lifting the front wheel off the ground in second gear with a quick clutch release. The RS excels at low revs, offering explosive acceleration that makes high revving unnecessary. For more relaxed riding, the power delivery is smooth and linear, with the new up/down quick shifter, a first for the Speed Twin 1200 and exclusive to the RS, working flawlessly. Straight from the factory, the Triumph Speed Twin 1200 RS is beautifully finished and highly detailed. The base model, essentially the same bike, has been on the market since 2019 and holds a strong 4.3/5-star rating from online owners, with praise for its reliability and durability. However, there are occasional reports of corroded bolts and a weak battery. At nearly 15 grand, the Speed Twin 1200 RS isn't cheap, but it offers excellent value for a premium retro experience. While it costs more than some of its competitors, like the Kawasaki Z900SE and BMW's R1290 may appear cheaper at first glance, the price quickly rises once you start adding options. At the time of reviewing the Triumph Speed Twin 1200 RS, December 2024, a typical finance deal looked like the below example. What it costs, 14,495 pounds. PCP per month X 36, 126 pounds and 16 pence. Total deposit payable 3,625 pounds. APR 7.9%. Mileage per thousand. Optional final payment 8,624 pounds. There are plenty of bells and whistles to enjoy here, from its fancy suspension, brakes and tires, to its up/down quick shifter and riding modes. Both the base and RS Speed Twin 1200s get a stylish new 14.5-liter fuel tank with deeper cutouts for the fork legs, a new Monza-style flip-up fuel cap, side panels, one-piece bench seat, heel guards, headlight surround, and black-finished engine casings. The RS gets brushed aluminum front and rear mudguards, a more luxurious seat, and a sport riding mode to go with the standard rain and road modes. A new LCD/TFT round display is clear, easy to read, and features a USB-C charging socket, but some will no doubt miss the old twin analog clock setup. For those lamenting the Thruxton's demise, you can give your Speed Twin 1200 the feel and look of a cafe racer look with accessory clip-ons that thankfully aren't as extreme as the Thruxton's. A quilted seat, seat cowl, and bullet indicators, along with all the usual Triumph add-ons. The Triumph Speed Twin 1200 RS is a performance-oriented version of the iconic Speed Twin, blending classic looks with modern engineering to deliver a thrilling riding experience. Powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters, 270-degree parallel twin engine, the RS version delivers 104 brake horsepower at 7,750 RPM and 83 lb-feet of torque at 4,250 RPM, making it a potent performer on both tight corners and open highways. The engine is all about low-end grunt, offering strong acceleration from the get-go and the kind of power that makes it easy to lift the front wheel off the ground in second gear. Its smooth, linear power delivery ensures a satisfying ride at both high and low revs, while the new up/down quick shifter, exclusive to the RS, makes gear changes swift and seamless. The Speed Twin 1200 RS is built to handle a range of riding styles. The lean-sensitive traction control and ABS keep things stable, giving the rider confidence in tricky conditions or aggressive riding. The suspension setup is performance-focused, with fully adjustable Öhlins rear shocks and Marzocchi upside-down forks, providing excellent feedback and control, whether you're carving through twisty roads or taking on more demanding tracks. The combination of sticky Metzeler Racetech K3 tires and Brembo Stylema calipers ensures superb grip and braking performance, while the firm, sportier suspension setup enhances cornering capabilities without sacrificing comfort. Despite its sportier credentials, the Speed Twin 1200 RS is still a highly refined and easy-to-ride machine. It's a bike that encourages spirited riding but also excels in everyday use, with a comfortable riding position that works well for both shorter and longer trips. The bike's weight has been carefully managed to ensure nimble handling, while the responsive chassis allows the rider to glide through corners effortlessly. Whether you're enjoying the explosive low-end torque or cruising comfortably on a scenic ride, the Speed Twin 1200 RS